Hello everybody, this is Ray, Real Awesome Window Cleaning, and I'm working on improving my communication skills because I have a window cleaning business, and I'm trying to get more customers. And in order to do that, I have to leverage my over 40 years experience of being a sole proprietor, like a owner-operator of a window cleaning service for over 40 years in Sacramento. And so I've had employees and different helpers and studied window cleaning and marketing, which I'm doing right now is marketing. I'm working on marketing. So I'm marketing by providing educational material. And so I'm working on practicing and making my videos more relevant for educational purposes, because right now, due to the economic circumstances with the artificial intelligence taking over a lot of people's jobs, they might want to start cleaning windows, who knows. So you got a lot of professional people that have university degrees, and all of a sudden they're not needed anymore, and they need to find something that to make some income. And the problem with the window cleaning, it's kind of looked at as it's muscular work, so a lot of times people don't want to pay a lot to get their windows cleaned or their roof gutters cleaned. And so the only way that I can really combat this, I mean, from 40 years experience, I studied speed cleaning and how to clean quicker and better. And the problem is, if you leave any spots on the windows, or if there's, like your roof gutter, if they think you didn't do a good enough job or something, there's always complaints. And one of my main marketing goals is 5-star reviews, on the Google My Business page, which is your primary page right now still, even after all the lawsuits trying to break up Google, and even with the AI searches, I think the Google Business page still is the main thing for just for Google searches when people are searching for local businesses, because I'm a local business, because I can't really travel that far. With a service business, you need a service area, because going outside of your service area costs too much time and money, especially if you have employees. You got to pay for their time, and you got to buy them lunch, and you got to pay for gas, and your time is worth something. If you're traveling, you're not making any money just traveling. So, and to keep your expenses down, it's better to have local customers where you don't have to travel far. So being local is better, and especially with the Google Business page, finding local customers is a plus. But they have to be ones that actually want the service, because actually window cleaning is a luxury service, and what people are willing to pay for it, it has to be profitable. In order to stay in business, the business has to make a profit. And over my 40 years, having counted up all the time I spent marketing, which is hours and hours of marketing and passing out flyers and putting up door hangers and calling people on the phone and texting and posting photos on my Google Business page and getting reviews, begging people for reviews multiple times, and they still don't do it, so on and so on. And I'm lucky if I'm making $5 an hour, seriously. I mean, anyway, peace, over and out. Peace, bye-bye.